Good morning. It's the day after my retightening on January the 6th. And I'm getting ready to go to work. And I wanted you to see what it looks like the morning after. So this is what I wore to bed last night. I maybe need a longer one than this pretty soon, or probably just use two. Now this is my look. I don't know how much I'm going to fluff it today. But notice that this is all I really need to do in order to get this hair done. It's a pretty quick video. I just love the way it looks. Valerie did a wonderful job on my hair. And I just love it. I think I'm going to let it go back a little bit today. And I'm going to wear it like this. You have a great day, because that's what I'm going to do. Trust in the Lord with all thine heart and lean not to your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him and he will direct your path. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for continuing to watch, like, share, and comment. And to my subscriber or someone that watched my video who told me that they were from Louisville, thank you for your comment and your support. I really appreciate you. And remember to share this video with your friends. Have a good day. And I'm on my way out. What are you going to tell me about?
Shapes.
Shapes?
Yeah.
Okay, what's this?
Circle.
Okay, my phone is a
Rectangle.
rectangle. Okay.
And oval.
Oval. Okay.
And what's the next one?
I don't know.
There's two circles. I mean, there's three circles.
You see three circles?
There, I see more.
Okay.